Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a fairing that matches your payload diameter and mass so drag and center of pressure behavior are predictable. Attach the base rings or split halves directly to the payload adapter, making sure symmetry is correct. Misalignment causes wobble. Once attached, assign separation nodes or clamps to an explicit stage and check the staging order. You'll want minimal extra parts. Lighter fairings reduce mass, but must still protect the payload during ascent through dense atmosphere. Next, configure flight staging so fairing jettison occurs after passing peak dynamic pressure or at a safe altitude. Make sure the fairing separation stage is before payload deployment and after main engines cut or at a predetermined time. If your system allows, tweak separation force or small ejection velocities to prevent parts recontacting the payload. Once done, run a quick mass and center of mass check. Fairings shift drag and stability, so ensure thrust vectoring and control authority can handle the changed aerodynamics. During ascent, watch dynamic pressure and altitude and trigger jettison after max skew or at your chosen trigger to minimize structural stress. If separation fails, activate a backup stage or timed command immediately to avoid carrying extra mass into orbit. After successful deployment, inspect telemetry for any residual torque or minor collisions. If you saw tumbling, revisit attachment alignment, separation impulse, and staging timing. Finally, make sure separation doesn't expose structural elements. Adjust fairing size or cutouts next build to prevent recontact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.